Hey guys, so yes, I want to talk about something.
Oi! My name is not Sven, it is Martin, yeah.
And that something is sort of like a baby to me. It is my 10 Swedish Words series. I've done 271 episodes, which is amazing. I mean, when I uploaded the very first one on March 27th, 2012, 6.5 years ago, I almost apologized on Twitter for doing that video because it was not something that I would normally do. It was something that I felt this could be a fun thing to do, but I'm very sorry for all of you who will think that this is stupid. And that video exploded. It was 10 Swedish words you won't find in the English language. Based on an article from The Local written by Oliver G. And I thought, hey, here's something I'd like to do, and here's something that you like to see. What should I do with that information? I don't know, maybe 270 more episodes. I've always kept the series as an edutainment, because I most of the time I wanted it to be something that even Swedes would find entertaining, and not just like, let me tell you how to bend the verb to be. Because education, in my mind, if education is fun, you learn more because you are entertained while learning. You're being tricked into learning things by, by entertainment, pretty face, blue eyes. The way that I've created videos on YouTube for the last 11 years, and the different series I've done, both on TheSwedishLad, my old channel Prince-Word, and my Swedish channel, has always been to not go necessarily where the audience wants me to go, but where I feel that I want to go, because I want to be able to maintain my passion for what I do. And if I start doing things just because I have to do them and I lose the passion, the risk would be that I would, like so many of my friends, stop making videos. And I don't want to stop making videos. And just a side note, I switched cameras there because my 2012 trusty camera is always better than the new piece of shit, memory card wise. Yes, I have a bunch of series on my channel right now. I have the monthly vlog, which comes up the first of every month, where I sort of look back in a vlog format on the past month. I have 10 Swedish Words, 271 episodes of them, boom! I have Norse mythology that I've started doing occasionally again. I have language challenges, which has always been fun because I get to meet people and it's fun and you get to interact and you hear different languages. And then I have Good Talk. And Good Talk is something that I am extremely proud of. And I will make a video more specifically about that for next Tuesday, because that will be the 1-year anniversary of that series. But I've always done what I wanted to do, to not kill the passion, as I mentioned before. And right now, I love doing Good Talks. I love doing language challenges. It's a lot of fun to do Norse mythology. But the 10 Swedish Words often feel like a must. And while I am now preparing and testing out a new format on my Swedish channel, I've also been thinking about lately of what I want to do with 10 Swedish Words. There's still some kinds of format that I want to do more of. So, I mean, the Old Town video where I walked every street, or interview videos where I talk about, visiting Stockholm or visiting certain areas that are, very special to this area, or anywhere in Sweden where I go. But I'm still I don't really know about the language stuff, because I've covered a lot already, and I don't want it to be too nitty-gritty with, bending stuff, because I want it to be an entertainment section on my channel. And I need my this side, my extrovert side, to come out and balance what I do on Good Talk videos. So in a way, it almost feels like a Good Talk video, because I want to ask you guys, you people watching. A lot of you have come and gone because you've had a sprung of interest for the Swedish language or Swedish culture, which might not be something that lasts forever and ever. What do you think? Because I'm obviously the way that I feel that a video does when it comes to if it does well is not views, it's comments. It's how people take in what I do and how they interact with it and how they show me what and how they feel about it. So that's always been the important parameter for me. It's never been about the views. I am really, honestly, perfectly happy with good talk videos that gets 200, 300, 400 views, as long as there's discussion and there's a message and I actually make a difference in people's life, in knowing that, especially for men, that you are not alone. And a lot of people have mentioned that in the comments, that girls often, not always, but often have someone to talk to, but men, we often don't, because we don't show emotions the way that I do. So I want to be one of the many pioneers in actually just saying that it's okay. It's okay to be emotional. It's okay to talk about it. But I'm still not certain of how I want to adapt the format of 10 Swedish words to be sustainable and to be something that I can build the channel around, where I feel inspired in making them. I hope some of this makes sense to you, and I hope that you can give me feedback on what it is that you like, or what it is that you appreciate with what I do when it comes to that segment. Because I just want to be creative. I want to be social, and I want to be creative. And for me, it's not just about putting out a video for the sake of putting out a video. It has to mean something to me, and I want it to mean something to you. So let me know what you think about this. It's an ongoing thing. Nothing is decided, and I will take in what you say in your words, both in comments but also in messages, in any way that you connect with me. I very much appreciate it. Thanks!